Hello everyone. For 1 megawatt, I'm going to show you how we are arranged the MMS here, and we have modules over here. So it's ready to place in this 1 megawatt, and I'm trying to show you MMS how they were. So see, this is the one. Here is a two and two and two and two and 2. So this is P2, and that is P1. This is P3. Sorry, this is P1. Yeah, and this one is, yeah, as usual it's a P2 and P3 and P4 last. Now you can say same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. And this one is a P4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and P2. 1, 2, 3 and P1. You always care about this. I will show you again. So in this MMS, you can see the how we have fixed the per lane here. This is one, and here another module will come. Second, here is third, and here is fourth, here is fifth. Because this whole goes to one module, this whole goes to another module. This is to 5, this is to 6, from here to 7, 8, from here to 9, 10, 11. This is 12. And one more here is come, and 13. 13, 13, 26 per table consists of 26 modules. Okay, so I'll show you for this 1 megawatt of well module placing. Till now, enjoy the MMS and this structure installation details. So for this rafter, this one is a brace. Here is a so this one is the rafter. This is a leg column post we call, and this column post, and this one is a leg rafter, legs rafter. This one, this is I'm talking about. Oops. This one is a power line. This one is the rafter. Okay, this is braces, and these we call pieces. It will support you for in this. This one is a piece. It supports MMS. So this one is we call complete MMS. We show you here. Yeah. So I'll try to show you from the outside, from the front view. So see, for one table we consist of 6 legs, one table, and see, this is one and the two, and this one is the three, third leg, and four. Oops. This is five, fifth one, and this is six. So we're done with complete MMS. Here you can see this is we call complete MMS. That's all for now. I'll come with an update. Trying to show you module installation on this MMS per table. Bye.